During dehydration, there is a deficiency of sodium chloride. In medical term, golden hour is related to heart attack. Carbohydrate is broken into glucose, but glucose remains in the blood and in diabetic person it is not stored as glycogen due to deficiency of hormone. Diabetes mellitus. The medical term of kidney stone is nephrolitis. If any human disease spreads in large area of the world, it is called pandemic. It affects the kidney of the body. Bright disease. Hysteria disease generally occurs in young women. The cause of oral submucous fibrosis disease is gutka containing tobacco. Excessive consumption of alcohol causes reverse cirrhosis. Sleep apnea is a serious disorder in which breathing is repeatedly interrupted during brief period of sleep. The cause of mad cow disease is prenons. Emphysema, a disease caused by environmental pollution and human organs are affected by it. Lungs. When a doctor tells someone that has tetraplegia, it means that he has been paralyzed of both hand and legs. AIDS virus contains RNA plus protein. Soham is suffering for goiter iodine deficiency is most common condition. Acute disease lasts only for short duration. The disease that refers to spectrum of eye disease caused by severe vitamin A deficiency is called xerophthalaemia. The disease that is caused by flavirus that can spread in humans and cause inflammation in the brain is called Japanese encephalitis. The syndrome that is characterized by weight loss and any loss of subcutaneous fat and muscle mass in infant is called marasmus. Not generic malaria. Disease that is caused by excessive accumulation of iron in the reticuloendothelial cell of liver, spleen, bone and bone marrow is called hemosiderosis. Acromegaly adrenaline is incorrectly matched. Symptoms of bacterial infection: fever. Form of bacteria: glaucoma. Is a hereditary disease that affects the glaucoma hemoglobin gene and results in infective red blood cell production. Thalassemia. Amyomycosis causes dysentery. Blue baby syndrome, methylglobin, Minamata disease, water polluted with mercury. Rosoka, a disease of skin. लीड टॉक्सिसिटी को प्लम्बिज्म कहते हैं. Disease which is caused by fungus, ringworm. The cancer which is commonly found throughout the body is called carcinoma. Allergen that cause hay fever is called pollen. Aplastic is anemia, fatal recurrence and symptom blood cell. Malfunction of pancreas, diabetes. Fungal disease is called Bartlett's. Knock-Knees syndrome occurs due to fluoride pollution. Leukemia, a type of cancer in which abnormal increase occurs in WBC count. Cerebral palsy is a neurological disorder which is found in young children. The disease caused by swelling in membrane covering in brain and spinal cord is called meningitis. Pneumonia affects lungs of the body. In Alzheimer's disease, brain part of human body